All right, we are going to do an unboxing of the Clicks Communicator Power Keyboard, which just arrived. As you can see, I have in front of me the Clicks keyboard, which I bought for my iPhone 17 Pro Max, which I had been using. Um, Pretty good keyboard, really like it. Um, it makes the phone a little bit longer, as you can see, but looks pretty good. It's got this leather patch on the back, which makes it pretty soft to hold. Here is the magnetic ring, which you can use to charge the phone. So you can charge the phone through here, so you can keep the case on at all times. It's got a pretty good cutout. It's a little bit flimsy, but it does protect the phone. The old keyboards didn't have this cutaway. It was actually straight right here. And so it was more firm around the side, but they decided to cut this away to allow the phone to go, in a little bit easier. So you just spin this back, slide the phone in. As you can see, the indicator here is just a little bit newer as the power charger here. So it goes right along in there. And so one of the things about these is that if you like the BlackBerry feel, or if you like to type using keys, you can actually type on this, and I don't know if you can hear, but you can hear how the keys press in here. Same thing with the power keyboard, which is used as well, which I'll unbox here in a second. You can use it to type, but it's Bluetooth, and so you don't have the extension of this on there, so you don't have to worry about it getting in the way, and it slides back and forth as well too. So I'm going to put that away. Don't need that anymore. So, but I'm going to go ahead and unbox what just came in the mail last week, which is the power keyboard from Clicks. Great company. Looks to be doing a lot of different things. They have a Clicks communicator phone as well, which is, taking up what BlackBerry had. And so if you look at this format right here, if you look at what their phone is, the phone is essentially this portion right here, and then the keyboard's just down here. And actually on the box here, if you feel right here on the box, it actually feels like keys, which is kind of cool. And so this is what it will look like moving forward. And it gives you a little bit of taste of what, the phone's going to look like when you put it on here. You're going to slide your phone there, and then the keyboard will then slide down. It's just held by that powerful magnet on the back, which is kind of cool. Cool thing about this is they delayed releasing this for a little bit. Most people who got in early at the $79 rate, it's $99 now. But the reason they delayed it is because it can only pair, I think, up to 4 devices. Now it pairs up to 9 devices, which is kind of cool. It does have a 23 amp battery. So, and you can charge the battery through the phone, or you can charge the phone through the battery rather. So either way you want to do it, you can take it out, but it's pretty cool. So let's unbox this thing, look at it. I know it comes in onyx. I don't know if it comes in another color. The power keyboard, this little thingy here, the Clicks communicator keyboard. So this is the power keyboard. This is just the Clicks keyboard. The Clicks keyboard came in this slate gray, and it also came in onyx as well. I don't think the power keyboard comes in onyx. And so I'm going to unbox this puppy here and see what all we get inside the package here. Normally their packaging has been pretty cool. So yeah, it's still wrapped up in its nice little plastic here. Looking BlackBerry style. If you're an old BlackBerry enthusiast like me, love the Blackberries, love to be able to use those. One of the cool things about BlackBerry is just that tactile sense of being able to type. So before we open that, let's see what all they put in the package here. Looks like a little compact. Everybody's trying to take over what Apple did with their packaging and try to make it kind of an all-in-one compact type thing. This is packed really tight here, so let's see what all is in here. No stickers like Apple, but so we got a quick start guide. Just shows you how to get it started, what to do, how to pair your devices. The cool thing about it is that this whole top row here on here is all programmable. So 1 through 9 are programmable devices that you can pair with, which is pretty cool. LED light, which is very neat on here. This has LED light too. One of the things I like about keyboards is the number row on top. One of the things I dislike about the Apple keyboard, and I've always disliked, is that there's no number row on top. And so I have to switch to a number row, which is one of the reasons why I do like Android, but I've been with Apple forever. So I like the number row, and having to be able to switch is just, if anything, annoying to me. Safety manual. Oh, they do have stickers. Look at that. So I always got to promote the brand, putting stickers wherever you can. So, and then that's it for the whole entire box. Pretty simple. Quick start guide, safety manual, and stickers. Pretty cool. So we'll go over the Kickstart guide later. I'll do another video once I have it all set up and take you through the setup and what I wanted to do with mine and how I have it all set up. Take the packaging off of this. Draw this out. It's stuck over there. And it's pretty smooth and sliding. You can probably hear it. Looks like it's got a few. So it extends. So it's got 3 catch points, it looks like. So it's got the bottom. There's 1, 2, and then the top 3. And then coming back, it's that top one. There's 2 catches there for 3. And then all the way down. I'm filming with my phone right now, so I'll have to use another phone to film how this connects. But as you can imagine, it just connects to the back of your phone, just as a slide right here. And then it'll slide down. So you can imagine your phone will be up here. You'll type down like this, whenever you want to. And then when you're done, you slide it back down, but your phone will be down like this right on the back of it. So if you can get kind of an imaginary what that looks like. So it's pretty cool. Not bad. You can kind of see on the back of it what that phone will look like when it's on there. And get a grasp of that. Sorry, it's a little bit out of focus, but kind of look and see that. Yeah, so I'll do the next video, show you what it looks like, show you how it feels. It's got the same tactile sense as this one does. Looks like the digits are a little bit smaller. The number keys are a little bit smaller than this one. Looks like the same number of keys, which would make sense, of course. Kind of the same layout, symbol key, which is the same as 1, 2, 3 key here. Control. It's going to be a little bit different. Your clicks communicator key, this key here does a lot of different things. You can set up shortcuts too. I have yet to set up shortcuts on my phone, but there's tons of shortcuts that you can set up that they actually do a YouTube video on how to set those up that you can do. Of course, this one, if you, can't remember, I think it's this and this you hold to turn the lights on, the lit keyboard behind. And you can also have it off to where it doesn't light at all if you want to do that. But it feels, relatively snappy. It'd have to be something I probably have to get used to. That number row is pretty small. It's smaller than the other keys, as you can probably see. Whereas on this one, all the keys are the same. So, but our phone's already big enough so you can see comparably the size between the two. So just your phone will be on top of here, just a little bit slightly bigger. And then it'll slide out. So that'll be kind of cool to see. All right. So until next time, I'll do my next video, show you how it looks, and then we'll go from there. Hope you look at it. Clicks Communicator. Once again, this is just the Clicks keyboard right here, but not looking at that, wanted to unbox for you the Clicks Power keyboard and what it looked like. First unboxing. So I'll get back to you soon. Make sure you like and subscribe.